Hi everybody, I just wanted to quickly update you on how to do references appropriately when you're working with a journal that has numbered references. So for the first couple versions of your paper, you're not going to put the references in as numbers. Why? Because we're going to do a lot of editing like you see here on the screen. And because of that, the references order is going to move around, we're going to be adding more, and so forth and so on. And so when you do it the first time, please put it in parenthetical notation where you have the author's name and the date inside parentheses. If you know your numbered reference journal is going to be square parentheses, you can use those, but you want to put it in the name and date and wait till the very end. Also, very important, you don't dump the entire reference in to the article as you're writing it. If there's a lot of authors' names, you only need the first one, so you can write like cells et al., or just put cells and the date. And then in the very final version of our paper is when we're going to go back through and change them all back to numbers. And so in the initial version of your paper, you're hard coding, you're actually writing in the names of the authors that are backing up a statement that you're trying to say, and then you're putting the references in at the end. And at the end, you want to make sure that you're auto-numbering the references, and so that they're showing up in the appropriate order, and that you basically shouldn't have to do anything to the references at the end of the paper when you're done with your paper. It should only be that changing the names back into numbers. So I hope that clears up some confusion. A lot of you are having a lot of trouble making your papers readable. It's both impossible to read it if you put the entire reference in line of the text, and it's also wrong to put the numbers first when we know we're going to be editing these quite a bit. So look forward to reading your revised papers.